activity that we have done with the kids was meet a tree. It was a great way for the kids to not only meet each other, but also obviously meet a tree. And I felt like it was a very well team building exercise where they kind of just got more comfortable with each other since it was like the first day of camp and things were like a little weird. So it really worked out well. And then I got blindfolded and led to a tree. So that was a little scary, but it was good.
Ecosystems using hula hoops, and campers got to explain to each other their actual mini ecosystem and all of the different inner workings of that ecosystem that they set up and described, and also a lot of different team building activities. We like to talk about how important it is to work as a team and definitely emphasize that here through a variety of different fun games and activities that let them work together in their mentor groups and as a camp as a team. Water quality tests, I think they really enjoyed getting their hands on actual science, testing the water, but also really loved the macroinvertebrate study of being able to physically get into the stream, collect the data, collect all of those macroinvertebrates to test the water quality of the stream.
I hope that they take away how important nature is and how we need to protect it as they learn more about it this week, which is something that we're trying to drive home with doctor instruction as well.